Howdy folks, Shawn here from Hiking with Shawn, and today we are at the boat dock here at Cedar Lake in Carbondale. Nice area, nice bathrooms, kayak rental. You can do kayak or stand up paddle rental. There's a whole little instructions how to do it. So, and it looks like nice kayak launching area, but it looks like there's trails. So we're here. We're gonna try to go to that, connect, and see if we can't hike a little bit. Cool kayak launch. It even looks like it could be one of them handicap. Yeah. So that's nice. Nice little trail here. I don't know if this just goes out and stops. I wouldn't think. I feel like that bike trail is supposed to be somewhere around here. So hopefully we find it. Nice little sitting spot. That bench looks pretty new, so something tells me there's a trail. All right, so far it's a pretty nice trail. I don't know if this is the official trail or not. If it is, it's nice. Views of the lake. There's a bench every now and then. A little bit hilly. Even a cool little waterfall thing down there. That's really pretty. That's really pretty. That's cool. Alrighty folks, really cool here. Really cool waterfall. Can't beat that. All right, folks, if you could see it right across there, that's where my truck's parked. So we've went all the way around, and it's a nice trail. I don't know if this part's the bike trail because there's other trails to our left, or our right, not to the left. The lake's to the left. That's but
it's other left.
Other left. But pretty cool. All right, folks, big gnarly tree. We had all sorts of yuccas and different stuff, different spireas. May have a well right here, or a covered up well.
That tree is beautiful.
Yeah. Here's an old fire pit, maybe. Yeah. Thought maybe it's a well. Oh wow, here's some sort of structure. Oh, that's cool. That's the old house or something. Oh, that's neat. All sorts of yucca. Wait till you see this. That's really cool.
Pond, a fountain.
Yeah.
This was an ornate pond.
Maybe.
Oh, I bet.
Yeah, because there's a pipe coming out
overflow.
here. Yeah, like an old pond.
I bet this was beautiful with all these flowers.
Bunch of yucca here.
That looks like a good... Oh, I know what that is.
What?
So these, with the green leaves right here?
Yeah.
Those are lilacs.
Okay.
Because I have some at the driveway that you try to run over. This was beautiful.
Yeah. That's pretty neat. Wow. Pretty lake. Very pretty lake. Very calm. It's a very pretty spot. Alrighty, folks. We've turned around. We're hiking back. Gonna do some stuff today. Kind of wore out. Definitely gonna come back and hit this area again this winter. Go check out each point. Be a good long trail if we want to do a longer hike if it's 8 miles. Alrighty, folks. Getting ready to walk out. Did about 2 miles, a little over 2 miles. Pretty nice trail system. Definitely gonna come back and hike more of it. Try to maybe hike 4 miles, turn around, come back, and then at some point come back and I don't know, we might try to hike it all or something. I don't know. We'll have to see. If it is 8 miles in length, it's hard to do 14 miles in a day or 15 or whatever it is, 16. That's 16 miles, not 14. But hope you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Till next time, see you on the trail.